Hello and welcome all. In this session, we will be learning about selection sorting technique. In the previous session, we discussed about bubble sorting. Sorting means arranging the elements in ascending or descending order. So, in this session, we will be focusing on selection sort technique. Selection sort, it is a technique to arrange array elements in ascending or descending order by selecting a specific element from a set of data items. So as the name suggests, selection sort will select an element from the array and will have a comparison, and that's how the sorting process happens. So we'll see in detail. So if the elements are to be sorted in the ascending order, then the lowest element is interchanged with the array element available at the 0th index. So the first comparison is going to happen with the 0th index. So we will consider the 0th index as the smallest element and we'll have a comparison till the end of the array. And when we find the least element in the array, then the swapping happens between the 0th element and the element which is found in the least. The least element is found in what position? From that, swapping will happen with the 0th index with that index. Okay, and next is, then the next lowest element will be interchanged with the element available in the first index, and so on until end of the array is reached. And in the second iteration, what happens is, so 0th index is already set with the least element, isn't it? And next we will consider the first index, that means the second element, and we'll have a comparison, and which is the lowest element in the rest of the array, that will be interchanged with the first index. So now with the two iterations, two elements are set. Then again, second index, that is the third element, will be compared, and then swapping happens. So until the end of the array is reached, the selecting the element and swapping happens there. So that's how selection sort works. So we'll see the working through an animation also.
Here is a selection sorting explained. So logic is already explained. So array is considered into two parts, unsorted and sorted. Then first process is select the lowest element in the remaining array, bringing to the starting position, then change the values. So 64, 25, 12, 22 and 11 are the elements. So first element is 64, that will be compared with the rest of the elements in the array. So 25 is smallest, so next smallest element will be 25. The next is 12, then 22 and 12 is compared, and next 11. So the least element 11 is found out, and then swapping happens. So 11 is already set. The next element is 25 compared with the next element, so that is the least. Then again 22, 64. So the least element is found in the third position, so swapping happened. Then again next element, that is 25, will be compared with 22, so 22 is the least, and again compared with 64. So again swapping happened between the least element and the third element. The next fourth element, that is 25, 25 will be compared with 64, so there is no swapping. Then again 64, so again now the elements are in the sorted form. So coding will be explained using BlueJ. Okay.
So here is a program code for the same selection sorting. So I'm using an n array, and here I'm fixing with the 10 elements. Okay, and system.out.println, enter the 10 array elements. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, it is received in n of I, all the elements. Then again the main logic part, that is for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, then minimum value, here it is taken as I. So at present I is the 0th element. Okay, I is 0, so 0 will be the minimum value. And then for j is equal to I plus 1. So I plus 1 means here j value will be 0 plus 1, 1. So that means I is 0th element and j is first element. So that is 0th and first. We are going to have a comparison with the 0th element and first element like that. So I plus 1, and then n of j. N of j is I plus 1. That is the first element, less than n of min. So n of min means the first element, that is 0th element. So if there is any, if first element is lesser, then min will be j. So minimum value will be that value. Okay. So here we are doing this so that we can find out the position of the least element. So this traversing or checking will happen for all the elements in the array. So at last you will have the minimum position. The minimum values position will be in min. Okay. And then after this is done, the next is swapping. So swapping means t is equal to n of I. So n of I is the 0th position, 0th element, and that will be that will go to t. Then n of I is equal to n of min. So here is a swapping. So you know what is swapping. So n of I is equal to n of min. So what is the minimum value? That value will come to n of I. That is 0th position. And to n of min, that particular position's value, we will be having the first value, that is t. And then after this is done, so this will happen for all the entire elements in the array. And after this is done for all the 10 elements, now the elements are in the ascending order, and we'll be printing the values. The numbers arranged in ascending order is this. So if you wanted to make it in descending order, the only change you have to make here is uh, like change the symbol, that is greater. So then you can even change the variables also, max is equal to like that. But only difference is in the symbol. Having the, while having the comparison, if you change the symbol there, then this whole program will give you the output in descending order. Okay, even it is same with the bubble sort also. And now we'll run and check the program. Void main. So enter 10 array elements. So I'm entering elements 36, 59, 1, 25, 68, 45, 32, oh sorry, 63, 52. So the elements are arranged in the ascending order, that is 1, 2, 10, 25, 36, 45, 52, 59, 63 and 68. So this is selection sorting.